Hi. The US FOMC's two-day policy meeting began from yesterday, and here are the key things to expect from the outcome. The US inflation rate has gone to the highest level in the last 40 years, and in order to tame this high inflation, the Fed has hiked interest rates for 10 consecutive times over the past 15 months by around 500 basis points. However, in the upcoming Fed meeting, the Fed is widely expected to go for a pause and rate hike. If we look into some of the economic data points of US, then the latest economic data gives a very mixed picture. Although the US inflation rate is well above the central bank's target of 2%, it has seen moderation over the past few months, and that supports the case for a pause and rate hike. However, the US economy has added a far larger than forecasted jobs in the month of May, and a strong labor market suggests Fed rate hike. Now, what are the various possibilities of the Fed outcome and what will be the impact on the global markets? So first, if the Fed pauses rate hike and does not share any negative outlook on the economy and inflation, then it will be kind of neutral for the global markets. If Fed pauses rate hike and gives dovish stance, then it will be slightly positive for the global markets. If the Fed pauses rate hike and gives hawkish stance, then it will be marginally negative for the global markets. And in contrary to this, if Fed does a rate hike, then it will be extremely negative for the global market.
Apart from the Fed fund rate, the other key things to focus on will be the Fed's outlook on US economy and monetary policy for the next 2 to 3 years. The outcome of the FOMC meet will come later in the day today, and its effect on global markets will be seen tomorrow. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more such videos.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.